Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are absolutely well. In this video I will show you how you can make your YouTube channel intro for free and a quality video for your channel. I hope you guys really like this video. Today's video will be important for beginner and also for other YouTuber who wants to make their channel intro and want a beautiful logo for their channel. So guys, watch the video till to the end. Now let's start. First, you have to go for sign up. So click on sign up. Put your name, email, and password. Accept the term and policy. Click on sign up. After that, go for sign in. Put your email and password. Press enter. Choose a template for your intro and click on the template. There are some category for this templates. Simply click on the template. After that, click on create now. There are some more templates related to this. Now I am going to use previous template. Click on create now. Click on that to upload your logo. Here you can adjust it. Click on done. Here you can write your channel or website name. You can change the style of template by clicking on style. There are different style, we can change it from there. Now I am choosing this one. And also there are copyright free music for your intro. You can change background music from there. Here you can also add your own background music by clicking on the upload music button. After that, click on preview to download. Then click on free preview. Now our intro is ready. Click on download button to download your video. Here you can publish it on YouTube by clicking on publish. Click on download button to download your video. If you guys like this video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for latest video. Thanks for watching.